Good morning everyone. Let us do some problem based on the fact that only like quantities can be added or subtracted. Your first question is, the velocity v of a particle depends upon time t. According to the equation, v is equal to a plus bt plus c upon d plus t. Then we have to find out the dimensions of a, b, c and d. So we know that the dimension, the physical quantities having same dimensions, okay, can be added or subtracted. So from this we can write dimension of v is equal to dimension of a is equal to dimension of bt is equal to dimension of c upon d plus t. So v is velocity, dimension of velocity, that is displacement upon time. So its dimension is L t minus 1. Yes, that implies dimension of A is same as V, L t minus 1. Now dimension of B, dimension of B is how much? Is equal to dimension of B upon t, that is L t minus 1 t, that is equal to L t minus 2. Yes, that is dimension of B. Next, dimension of C. Before finding the dimension of C, similar quantities can be added. So dimension of D is equal to dimension of T. यहाँ तो ऐड किया गया है ना D plus T. So dimension of D is same as time, that is equal to T or T1. Now dimension of C. C is how much? That is dimension of V upon that is dimension of C is equal to B into dimension of D plus T, or you may write T, that is equal to L t minus 1, that is dimension of velocity, into T. So that is equal to L1. Okay. Your next question. Write the dimensions of A upon B in the relation f is equal to a root over of x plus bt square, where f is force, x is distance and t is time. Similarly, f, dimension of f is equal to dimension of a root over of x is equal to dimension of b t square. So first dimension of A is equal to how much? Dimension of f upon root over of x. F is how much? F is your force, that is F is equal to ma. Dimension of f is m L t minus 2, and x is how much? Distance, that is L, and root over and L power half is equal to m or m1 L1 minus half t minus 2 is equal to how much? Is equal to m1 L half t minus 2. Next, dimension of B is how much? F upon t square, that is equal to m L t minus 2 upon t2. Yes, m L t minus 2, sorry, that is equal to m1 L1 t minus 4. Now in you have to find out the dimension of A upon B. Dimension of A upon B is equal to, dimension of A is how much? M1, this one, M1 L half T minus 2 upon M1 L 1 T minus 4 is equal to M1 M1 get cancelled. So L power half minus 1 and T power minus 2 plus 4, that is equal to how much? L minus half and T power 2. Okay. Next, write the dimensions of A into B in the relation E is equal to B minus x square upon AT, where E is energy, x is distance and T is time. So physical quantities having same dimension can be added or subtracted. So we can write dimension of B is equal to dimension of x square, क्योंकि b माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर है, यानी b का डायमेंशन और x स्क्वायर का डायमेंशन सेम आएगा. सो x क्या है हमारा? डिस्टेंस है. सो b का डायमेंशन कितना हो जाएगा? L2. ओके. नाउ डायमेंशन ऑफ a, डायमेंशन ऑफ a अब क्या हो जाएगा? देखो इक्वेशन क्या है? डायमेंशन E इज इक्वल टू b माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन AT. From here we can write A is equal to how much? B minus x square upon E into T. So dimension of B or x square, the dimension of A, dimension of A is how much? That is B minus x square, and x square, that is L2 upon dimension of E, that is energy. Energy is M1 L2 T minus 2. Okay, and another T, that is equal to how much? L2 M1 L2 is a T minus 2 is a T plus 1. So T minus 1, L2 get cancelled. So dimension of A is how much? A is equal to M minus 1 and T 1. We have to find out dimension of A into B. Dimension of A into B. Dimension of A into B is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? M minus 1 T1. This is dimension of A and dimension of B is L2. So that is equal to M minus 1 L2 and T1. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.